Hey, just pull up the intraday chart of a few stocks there. Jindal Worldwide, just pull up the intraday chart. The stock was more or less flattish. It's moved to the high point of the day, and volumes as well as have picked up. So Jindal Worldwide, put out the intraday chart out there. Anand Raj, the other one out there, we don't talk about it very often, but that as well is showing some good traction today. Intraday chart should come up for you. That's moved to the high point of the day. And Radiant Cash, remember, didn't get subscribed very well when the issue opened up. But that's been a surprise winner. On the day of listing, it did well. It's holding with those gains as well. And as we speak, it's moved to the high point of the day. So Radiant Cash Management, that's the other one in there. That's suddenly seen a bit of a spike up. But the outperformer from the banking space is IDBI Bank. The bids, the timeline ends tomorrow. Sapna's with us to give us a sense about what's going on there. Sapna?
Well, the first clear indication or the buzz, at least in Delhi, is pointing towards probably a good show of potential bidders in the preliminary bids, which are closing tomorrow, the deadline. Given to understand, probably the government is hopeful of strong interest in the first round at least. If you look at the kind of roadshows which have happened for IDBI, and at that point in time, there were certain entities which were very much in the race. Like there is a lot of talk about, for example, a KKR, a Fairfax, the Carolee Group, probably even JC Flowers, probably even the Mitsui Group. Some of these participants had attended some of the roadshows of IDBI Bank. So there is expectation that probably at least some of them may come forward in terms of throwing their hat in the ring. We will know when. Well, government is not going to open the cards at all. In fact, they will not even know about it because this is a process run very cleanly by the transaction advisor, and there is always an arm's length even between the government and the way the process is run by the TA. But we can say fairly confidently that the interest is not going to be small. It could be quite significant, and the ensuing months are going to be very interesting because this is one bank where you can see participants and potential buyers coming forward.
Interesting. Thanks so much for that.